Imagine if you could take just $1,000 and transform it into a serious nest egg by investing in companies that are actively shaping the future. It's not just a dream, smart investing can make it a reality, even if you're starting small. These aren't random picks or risky gambles, these are industry titans, global leaders with proven track records, poised for explosive growth as their sectors expand. Today we'll break down two powerhouse companies that are dominating their fields and explain exactly why they're screaming buy right now, according to top analysts and market trends. First up, a global leader in memory and storage solutions. This company powers everything from your smartphone to the world's most advanced AI data centers, making it essential to the digital age. Second, a true trailblazer in e-commerce and digital payments, this company is dominating an entire continent's market and revolutionizing how millions of people shop and pay online. These are the kinds of rare opportunities that can truly define your portfolio and set you up for long-term financial growth. Stick around to see how your $1,000 could become the smartest money you invest this year, and maybe even the start of your investing journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more investing insights, tips, and the latest market updates. This video is sponsored by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. First up, let's talk about Micron Technology, ticker symbol MU, a global powerhouse in memory and storage solutions that's quietly shaping the future of technology. While you might not see their name on your favorite gadgets, Micron's innovations are at the heart of the digital revolution, powering everything from the smallest smart devices to the world's largest data centers. Every modern device, from your phone and laptop to massive AI data centers, relies on memory to function. Whether you're streaming a movie, running a complex AI model, or just browsing the web, memory is the invisible engine making it all possible. Micron is a global leader in both DRAM and NAND flash memory, two of the most critical components in today's digital world. These chips are the unsung heroes, storing and processing the data that drives our connected lives. DRAM is the fast, volatile memory that lets your computer multitask and run applications smoothly, while NAND flash is the long-term storage found in SSDs, smartphones, and memory cards. Together they form the backbone of modern computing, enabling everything from instant app launches to lightning-fast file transfers. Why invest now? The demand for memory is exploding, driven by megatrends like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, 5G networks, and the electrification of vehicles. As more devices connect to the internet and as data usage soars, the need for advanced memory solutions is only accelerating. AI models like ChatGPT and other generative AI tools require massive amounts of high-bandwidth memory, Micron's specialty. These models process huge data sets in real time, and only the fastest, most reliable memory chips can keep up. As AI adoption accelerates across industries, Micron's HBM, high-bandwidth memory, products are set for skyrocketing demand. This isn't just a short-term spike, it's a structural shift in how technology is built and used. This isn't a passing trend, it's a fundamental transformation in computing, and Micron is positioned right at the center. The company's technology is woven into the fabric of our digital future. The world's digital infrastructure depends on advanced memory, making Micron's products increasingly critical. As more of our lives move online, the importance of reliable, high-performance memory only grows. The semiconductor industry is famously cyclical with ups and downs, but the long-term trajectory is unmistakably upward. Our reliance on digital technology is only deepening, and memory is at the core of that trend. Micron invests heavily in research and development, pushing the boundaries with faster, more efficient chips, a key competitive edge that keeps them ahead of rivals and ensures they're ready for the next wave of innovation. This relentless innovation lets Micron command premium prices and boost profit margins, even in a competitive market. Their ability to deliver cutting-edge products means customers are willing to pay more for Micron's solutions. Think of Micron as the backbone of the digital economy, essential infrastructure for everything tech, from cloud services to autonomous vehicles and beyond. Investing in Micron is essentially betting on the continued expansion of our digital world. As more industries digitize, the need for memory will only intensify. The company's stock has grown impressively over the years, but many analysts see even more upside ahead as AI demand outpaces supply and new applications emerge. This is a long-term play on technological progress, not a speculative gamble. If you believe in the future of AI, cloud, and connected devices, Micron is a company to watch. For a $1,000 investment, Micron offers both growth potential and strategic importance. It's a way to participate in the next era of digital transformation. The cyclical nature of semiconductors can create attractive buying opportunities. Savvy investors keep an eye out for dips to add to their positions. Micron's technology is embedded everywhere, from massive data centers to the electronics in your car, even if you don't see it. Their chips are quietly powering the world. Their global manufacturing scale allows them to meet massive demand from the world's biggest tech companies, ensuring a steady stream of business and relevance in every major market. As a trusted supplier, Micron enjoys stable, reliable revenue streams, with long-term contracts and partnerships with industry giants. This is a blue-chip tech stock with high-growth catalysts, making it a compelling choice for both conservative and growth-oriented investors. The rise of smart devices, autonomous technology, and edge computing opens up entirely new growth avenues for Micron, expanding their addressable market far beyond traditional PCs and servers. Wherever computation happens, Micron's products are needed, and computation is now everywhere, from factories to homes to vehicles. The world is rapidly becoming a giant interconnected computer, and Micron is the company supplying its memory, fueling the next generation of digital experiences. Management is highly strategic, focusing on cost discipline and high-growth areas like HBM for AI, ensuring the company remains agile and competitive. Their extensive patent portfolio creates significant barriers to entry, solidifying their leadership and protecting their innovations from competitors. When you buy Micron, you're not just buying a stock. You're buying cutting-edge intellectual property and a world-class engineering team that's driving the industry forward. Financials reflect their strong position. Analysts forecast significant revenue and earnings growth as the AI boom accelerates and new markets open up. For investors seeking exposure to the AI revolution, chipmakers like Micron are a direct play, offering a way to benefit from the explosive growth in data and computation. While other companies make processors, Micron makes the memory that powers them. Both are essential, but memory is often the limiting factor in performance. An AI chip without high-speed memory is like a Ferrari with no fuel. It simply can't perform at its best. That's why Micron's products are so vital. With a market cap of $141.5 billion, the company posted $25.11 billion in revenue last year, and a net income of $778 million. Earnings per share came in at $4.20, placing the stock at a price-to-earnings ratio of 30.22. That valuation reflects renewed faith in Micron's growth trajectory, especially with analysts projecting that profits could more than double year over year. This renewed confidence is translating directly to market performance. Micron has emerged as one of the top-performing stocks in the S&P 500 for June, thanks in part to bullish sentiment around DRAM pricing and the growing demand for high-bandwidth memory chips, key components for AI servers and data centers. From a low of $61.70 in April, the stock has surged to $126.23, signaling a strong comeback. Analyst enthusiasm remains high with consensus buy ratings across the board. Stifel, for instance, recently reaffirmed its buy rating and set a price target of $130, further bolstering investor confidence. Much of the momentum stems from the accelerating demand for memory chips driven by the global AI boom. As companies race to power next-gen technologies, Micron finds itself in a favorable supply-demand environment that could continue to drive earnings growth in the quarters ahead. The overall market sentiment surrounding Micron remains overwhelmingly positive. With the upcoming earnings report likely to play a pivotal role in sustaining this momentum, investors are closely watching to see if the semiconductor giant can continue delivering on rising expectations. In summary, Micron is a leader in a critical industry, at the heart of the AI boom, with strong technological advantages and poised for substantial growth in the years ahead. It's a fantastic candidate for your $1,000 investment, offering both stability and the potential for outsized returns as technology evolves. As technology advances and the digital world expands, the need for what Micron makes will only grow, making this an incredibly powerful investment thesis for the future. Keep Micron on your radar, especially if you're looking for a way to invest in the backbone of tomorrow's technology. If you want to ride the next wave of tech growth, this is a stock to watch closely as the digital landscape continues to evolve. The company's resilience through industry cycles is a testament to its strong management and long-term vision, which has guided it through both booms and downturns. Their relentless focus on innovation and efficiency keeps them ahead of competitors and ensures they remain a leader in the memory space. Micron's products are truly indispensable to the digital world's future, enabling the next generation of breakthroughs in AI, cloud, and beyond. As AI, cloud, and smart devices proliferate, Micron's relevance and importance only continue to grow, making it a cornerstone of the digital age. The company's global reach and trusted partnerships ensure ongoing demand and a strong position in the world's most important technology markets. For long-term investors, Micron offers both stability and significant upside. making it a smart addition to any diversified portfolio. The digital economy simply can't function without memory, and Micron is one of the world's top suppliers, ensuring its continued relevance. Their ongoing R&D investments keep them at the forefront of technology, ready to meet the challenges of tomorrow. As the world generates more data than ever before, Micron's role becomes even more vital, supporting everything from AI to cloud storage. The company's strategic moves and forward-thinking leadership position it for sustained growth and continued industry dominance. If you're looking for a foundational tech investment that's built to last, Micron is hard to beat. The AI revolution is just beginning, and Micron is supplying the fuel that will drive it forward for years to come. Don't overlook this essential player in the tech ecosystem. Micron is a name you'll want to remember. Micron is a smart, future-focused investment for anyone who believes in the ongoing digital transformation. Consider making it part of your portfolio and positioning yourself for the next wave of technological growth. Let's move to our next powerhouse pick. Now, let's shift our focus to Latin America and dive into the story of MercadoLibre, ticker MELI, the region's undisputed e-commerce and fintech giant, and a company that's quietly become one of the most important digital players in the world. Often called the Amazon of Latin America, MercadoLibre is much more than just an online marketplace. It's built a digital ecosystem that touches nearly every aspect of commerce, finance, and daily life for millions across the continent. Their core e-commerce marketplace is the go-to destination for hundreds of millions, offering everything from electronics and fashion to groceries and household essentials, all at the tap of a button. But MercadoLibre's real genius lies in how it solved Latin America's unique challenges, like low banking access and high cash usage, by building Mercado Pago, their own digital payments platform that's become a financial lifeline for millions. Mercado Pago started as a simple payment tool for the marketplace, but it's evolved into a full-fledged digital wallet and financial services hub, now used both online and in physical stores. Users can pay for goods, settle utility bills, send money to friends and family, and even invest, all within the Mercado Pago app, making it an essential part of daily life for many. This fintech arm creates a sticky, interconnected ecosystem, keeping users engaged, loyal, and coming back for more, while also attracting new customers who want access to modern financial tools. MercadoLibre didn't stop there. They built Mercado Envíos, their own logistics network, ensuring fast, reliable delivery across the continent, even to remote areas where traditional logistics often fail. This logistics control is a major barrier to entry for competitors, giving MercadoLibre a huge advantage in speed, reliability, and customer satisfaction. They even offer credit through Mercado Crédito, using platform data to lend to individuals and small businesses that are often ignored by traditional banks, helping entrepreneurs grow and fueling the region's economic engine. The result? An interconnected ecosystem, e-commerce, fintech, logistics, and credit, all reinforcing each other and creating a powerful network effect that's hard to replicate. Why invest now? Latin America's digital transformation is just beginning, and MercadoLibre is at the very heart of it. Internet and smartphone adoption are rising fast, but there's still huge room for growth. Millions remain offline, and the shift to digital is only accelerating. As millions more come online in Brazil, Mexico, and Argentina, MercadoLibre is perfectly positioned to capture this new wave of digital consumers, expanding its reach and deepening its market dominance. They have the brand recognition, consumer trust, and infrastructure to remain the default choice for digital commerce and payments in the region. Their competitive moat is massive, very hard for rivals to overcome, especially given the complexity of operating in so many diverse markets. Growth numbers are staggering. Double and triple-digit increases in merchandise and payment volumes, quarter after quarter, year after year. This is hypergrowth, with a huge runway ahead as digital adoption continues to surge and MercadoLibre expands into new services and geographies. Latin America's young, tech-savvy population, over 650 million people, will only accelerate these trends, driving demand for digital commerce, payments, and financial services. Investing in MELI gives you exposure to the economic growth of an entire continent through one dominant company, letting you participate in the rise of a new digital economy. It's a powerful diversification away from US and European markets, giving your portfolio access to a region with enormous untapped potential. The management team, led by founder Marcos Galperin, is legendary for innovation, vision, and flawless execution, consistently staying ahead of the curve. Their mission is clear: democratize commerce and finance for all of Latin America, empowering small businesses and individuals alike. MercadoLibre constantly innovates, adding new services like advertising, insurance, and asset management to further monetize its massive user base and deepen its ecosystem. The stock trades at a premium, but that's typical for high-growth leaders with dominant market positions and long runways. With a market cap of $126.17 billion, the company reported $20.78 billion in revenue and an impressive net income of $1.91 billion in 2024. Its earnings per share reached $40.65 with a P/E ratio of 61.22, reflecting the high-growth nature of its business model. MercadoLibre stock recently surged to $2,452.89, a 2.04% gain that outpaced broader market trends, reaffirming its strong momentum. The company's continued success is anchored in strategic platform upgrades and rising buyer engagement, helping it cement its leadership in Latin America's booming digital economy. With a 40% year-to-date surge, MELI has outperformed many of its peers, thanks to its dual-engine growth in e-commerce and digital payments. Investor interest has been further amplified by the launch of a leveraged ETF from Crane Shares, designed to offer twice the daily movement of MercadoLibre's stock, another indicator of growing bullish sentiment. Even amid recent leadership changes, the company's fundamentals remain solid, especially in Argentina, where it's benefiting from currency dynamics that make it one of the best-performing anti-dollar stocks in the region. With a rapidly growing user base, innovative product offerings, and strong investor backing, MercadoLibre is well-positioned to capitalize on the ongoing digital transformation sweeping through Latin America. As both Micron and MercadoLibre continue to deliver impressive growth, investors are watching closely to see if these upward trends will extend deeper into the year. For long-term investors, today's price could look like a bargain in a decade, as MercadoLibre continues to scale and capture more of the digital economy. Focus on the massive opportunity ahead, not just current financials. This is a story of transformation and exponential growth. When you invest $1,000 in MELI, you're buying a piece of Latin America's digital backbone, a company that's shaping the future of commerce and finance for an entire region. You're betting on the rise of the middle class, the digitization of a dynamic region, and the unstoppable momentum of technology adoption. The network effect is powerful. More buyers attract more sellers, and more sellers attract more buyers, creating a virtuous cycle that strengthens MercadoLibre's position every day. The same goes for Mercado Pago. More users mean more merchants, and more merchants mean more utility for users, making the platform indispensable for both sides. This flywheel effect drives relentless growth, compounding MercadoLibre's advantages and making it harder for competitors to catch up. Combining e-commerce and fintech under one roof is MercadoLibre's secret sauce, allowing them to innovate faster and serve customers in ways that few others can. It lets them deeply understand and serve their customers, creating better products, more personalized experiences, and new services that keep users engaged. While Micron powers the tech world's hardware, MercadoLibre is the application layer in a booming consumer market, connecting people, businesses, and capital in real time. Both are compelling growth stories, but MELI is your gateway to Latin America's digital future, a future that's just getting started. The company has proven resilient through currency swings, political instability, and economic downturns, adapting and thriving where others have struggled. Their business model and management are built for long-term success, with a focus on sustainable growth and innovation. If you want a stock with massive long-term upside, MercadoLibre should be on your list. This is a company with the potential to deliver generational returns. It's a true pioneer and dominant force in a market with decades of growth ahead, and its story is only just beginning. This is a company you can buy and hold, letting Latin America's digital boom work for your investment while you watch the region transform. MercadoLibre is an exceptional business, an absolute titan, and a rare opportunity to invest in a company that's changing the world. For investors seeking global growth, MELI is a must-watch and perhaps a must-own for those who believe in the future of emerging markets. The digital transformation of Latin America is just getting started, and MercadoLibre is at the forefront, leading the way. MercadoLibre is leading the charge, setting the pace for innovation and growth in the region. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be part of Latin America's digital revolution. Consider adding MELI to your portfolio and position yourself for the next wave of global growth. Now let's talk about your next move. Are you ready to take action and invest in the future of Latin America? There you have it, Micron Technology and MercadoLibre, two powerhouse stocks primed for global trends. Whether it's AI's demand for memory or Latin America's digital transformation, these companies offer compelling long-term growth. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, This course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and pinned comment to join today. For exclusive stock tips and real-time alerts, join the Stocks Galore Patreon, link in the description below. Become part of our smart investor community and get in-depth analysis on top stocks. Ready to invest smarter and build your future? Click the links and join us today. Now, which of these two stocks would you put your $1,000 into? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.